Frozen hot chocolate has never looked this good, and this one has a ton of spice. This is so good. It's officially pumpkin spice season, and of course I had to put my own spin on things with a specialty drink. And today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a pumpkin spice frozen hot chocolate, which is to die for. It's icy, it's chocolatey, and it has all the great flavors of pumpkin spice, and it comes together really quickly. So the very first thing that we're going to do is create our pumpkin spice mocha sauce. And I'm going to start by adding some granulated sugar to a saucepan. I'll top it off with some water and sprinkle in some cocoa powder and give it a nice whisk until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to heat it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and bubbly and all the sugar has dissolved. Off the heat, I'm going to pour in a little bit of vanilla extract and season my pumpkin spice mocha sauce with some cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and a big pinch of kosher salt. I'll give it a whisk once more to incorporate the spices. Then I'll pour it into a container to cool. Now it's a matter of getting everything into a blender. So I'm gonna start off with a ton of ice. We're gonna go in with a little bit of milk as well, a couple of tablespoons of chocolate chips, as well as my pumpkin spice mocha sauce and a little bit of simple syrup to sweeten. I'm gonna blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Now we're gonna prep our glass. So I have a nice tall glass here, and I'm just going to take some store-bought caramel sauce and drizzle it along the inside of the glass. I'll do the same with the pumpkin spice mocha sauce. Then I'm gonna pour in my frozen hot chocolate, top it off with some whipped cream and some grated chocolate, and just like that, our pumpkin spice frozen hot chocolate is ready. Our pumpkin spice frozen hot chocolate is good to go. And just because we're in the fall theme, I added a few leaves and acorns just to get into the spirit. Nice little straw, let's give it a taste. Wow, this is so good. Oh my goodness. The combination of flavors on this drink is so good. Who knew that chocolate went so well with pumpkin spice? On the first sip, you get icy cold chocolate, and then those little specks of chocolate chips that have pulverized, they melt on your tongue, which is so, so nice. And then the pumpkin spice comes through. The cinnamon, the ginger, the nutmeg, the cloves, so warming and delicious. Such a wonderful flavor. I hope you get to try it this season. This is my pumpkin spice frozen hot chocolate.